was we received that message February 15. And I was in the Electorate City. From the governor's office is requesting the principal and offering to the local police, ensuring that the roads are clear and the city is safe for the riders and providing for the necessary assistance. So ang ginawa po agad ng ating city, the acting mayor po immediately called for a meeting together with our city legal office and asking the kasama po dyan is the first time, the SS, the traffic to make sure na pwede naman po may medical.
Tumulo na siya. 2 minutes na po natin ang tumatapos. Hindi pa tanggalan natin ng buto. At ito na po siya, di ba? Ayan. Ayan na po ang ating chicken feet, mga ka-first. Yummy na yan. Ready to serve na po. Tara na po. Kain na po tayo, mga ka-first. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you all on my next videos. Bye.